Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into home decor with a focus on repurposing old windows. If you've got a stash of vintage windows lying around, or if you've been eyeing some at the flea market, you're in for a treat. We'll be sharing simple yet brilliant ideas to turn those old windows into beautiful decor pieces that will breathe new life into your home. Let's get started with the transformation process. Old windows have so much potential beyond their original purpose of letting light in. We'll show you how to repurpose them into stunning decorative elements that will add charm and personality to any room. From wall decor to functional furniture pieces, there's a multitude of ways to use old windows creatively. Old windows make for fantastic focal points when hung on a wall. Whether you leave them as is for a rustic look or add some paint and embellishments for a more polished finish, they'll instantly add character to your space. You can even hang them horizontally or vertically to suit your aesthetic preferences. Old windows could double as functional pieces. With a little bit of creativity and some DIY skills, you can transform these forgotten gems into statement pieces that will impress your guests and make your home feel truly unique. Stay tuned to discover these inspiring ideas that might just spark your creativity in home decor. So keep watching. And there you have it, simple yet brilliant ideas for using old windows as beautiful home decor. We hope you found inspiration in today's video to tackle that pile of old windows gathering dust in your garage or to scout out some treasures at your local antique store. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative home decor tips. Until next time, happy decorating!